Welcome to lesson number 5, Open Bidding. In this lesson, we will learn what is open bidding, what are some benefits for the publisher, and how to implement it in GAM. Let's start. What is it? Open bidding is Google's alternative to header bidding. With open bidding, publishers can invite third-party demand partners like exchanges or ad networks to bid for the ad inventory in real time. In the image that we see below, we can see that partner 4 has the highest eCPM of all. This means that it will win most of the auctions automatically. How it works. Open bidding allows publishers to sell their inventory to multiple yield partners. The system is created for the highest bidder to win the auction. Before we dive in the technical side of things, we wanted to highlight some benefits for the publisher. The first one is that open bidding reduces operational complexity. The second one, quick integration with more than 20 demands. Google has already integrated more than 20 SSP partners on your GAM 360. This will allow you to concentrate more on your yield management than on trying to integrate and do some heavy lifting technological server-to-server integrations. Unified payments reduces the stress of collecting payments with several partners and unifies ad serving costs in one single stack. Finally, improve reporting and analytics. It allows for you to have all the data available in one single dashboard in order to take advantage of all the demand partners from open bidding. Before implementing open bidding on your GAM 360, you need a set of requirements. First, set up an individual relationship with each SSP or exchange. This can be done contacting each one of them through a contact form on their webpage or with a designated account manager. Second of all, you have to go to GAM 360 and get an approval for starting open bidding. The second part is for them to review your inventory and accept start working with you. This normally takes 2 to 5 business days. The process is really quick since the integration is already being done on Google's side. So this is a huge advantage for publishers in order to start doing header bidding, or in this case, open bidding. Now let's check the implementation on GAM. After you've updated your contract with your Google Account Manager, and you've established a relationship with the SSP in question, we're going to proceed and go to companies and create the company in our GAM. I already mentioned that the integrations are already made, but this is one of the steps that we need to do. So choose the name of your preference for the SSP and then click on Add Network. There you're going to find all the authorized buyers and SSPs that are already integrated in GAM. We're going to choose one for the purpose of this example. And when you choose the SSP, make sure that you click on Enable Open Bidding. A message is going to pop up where you just need to click on Acknowledge to proceed. After we've created the company, we're going to go and create our yield group. Click on Delivery and then Yield Groups, New Yield Group. Choose the name of your preference and put status active and then the auth format that you want to use. Be aware that if you want to do banner and, for example, video, you have to do 2 different yield groups. Then you can choose the inventory type. Whether you have app or web, you have to choose one. So if you have both inventory types, you have to do 2 different yield groups. After setting this up, you're going to choose the targeting of your preference. If you want to target all your sizes from your web or just one size, we recommend choosing all of them. And then add yield partner. We're going to write down the number of the partner. Make sure it says integration type open bidding, status active, and then save. Finally, you're going to notice that AdX is already added and it's always going to compete. This is a default setting. You can ask your account manager or support partner to help you remove it in case you only want to choose one. Finally, you can click on Save. This is how easy it is to start doing open bidding. We've reached the end of our lesson, and we've seen how open bidding is a really good alternative for header bidding made by Google, where we can integrate multiple demand partners in a super easy way and start selling our inventory. And in this way, we can increase yield and maximize revenue. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. Let's jump to the next one.